Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will talk about screen utility. Screen utility allows us to run multiple shell windows at the same time from a single SSH session. Okay, let us say that I want to connect to a remote machine using SSH to run multitasks at a time. What will I do? First, I will use the SSH client to connect to the remote host. Let us say that I will use the PuTTY client to connect to the remote host machine. So let's open the PuTTY. Okay, I have opened the PuTTY and I will type the IP address for SSH2 machine here. So I will type 192.168.8.54 and I will leave the port on the default port, which is 22. After that, I will click on open to open SSH session. Okay, now type the user root and press enter. Then type the password for user root and press enter. As you see now, I am logged in to SSH2 machine. And as I said before, that I would like to run multitasks on SSH2, and the first task will be executing the top command. So type top and press enter. As you see, the top command shows us the running processes on SSH2. Okay, now I want to run another task on SSH2 while the top command is running. To run another task, I will open a new session using the PuTTY client. So I will open PuTTY. As you see, I have opened the PuTTY again and I will connect to SSH2 machine. So I will type 192.168.8.54 and I will leave the default port on the port 22. Then I will click on open. Now I will type the root password. Then I will press enter. Now I will type the password for user root and press enter. Okay, let us say that my second task on SSH2 machine is to monitor the messages log file. So I will type tail space -f /var/log/messages and press enter. As you see now, I have two PuTTY windows opening at the same time. The first window running top command and the second window monitoring the log messages. Okay, now what if I want to do other tasks at the same time? Is it logic to open multiple PuTTY windows, or do you think that it is better if we have a utility that allows us to run multiple shell windows at the same time from a single SSH session? I think it is better to use a utility such as the screen utility, which will help us in running multiple shell windows from a single SSH session. So let's see how can we install screen utility. From this PuTTY window, I will click on Ctrl+C to terminate this running process. Okay, now let's install the screen utility on SSH2 machine by running the command yum install screen and press enter. Okay, now type Y and press enter. As you see, the installation process has been successfully done and we have installed the screen utility, and by that we get to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.